beautifuls, it's me, Alyssa. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I have for you guys my BOXYCHARM for 2019 of January. So, it's amazing. We're actually already in 2019, and I get to share with you guys my BOXYCHARM. And it's very fitting because I am like dressed for this BOXYCHARM. We're in a very cozy outfit. So, the BOXYCHARM for this month, right here, is themed Boxy and Chill. How cute is this card? And I was so excited because this card is like the December card, where it's just the card and the products are on the back. I don't have a pan flip to look through, which is what I didn't want. So now I finally am like excited, and this is so cute. It's Boxy and Chill, so it's definitely a cozy kind of theme we're going for in this box. And it's so cute. I love the cards. Their graphics are so cute on the cards. Better than Ipsy's. They're doing better than Ipsy, I will say. At least they stick with a theme. The Ipsy bags don't really got a theme anymore. Kind of died off. But BOXYCHARM, you're doing good. So, love this card right here, and it has the products on the back so I can read to you guys about them. And then here we're going to take a little sneaky peek. So, I'm going to go in order on the card like I always do, and we're going to get started of what's on this box. So, the first thing is from Briogeo, because we love Briogeo here. This is actually, so we did get a Briogeo product in a previous BOXYCHARM, but it was a different one. So this one is the Briogeo Roscaro Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. So this is more of like a travel-friendly size. So I believe they probably still have this on the website because this retails for $12. So this is supposed to effectively restore your hair's softness, manageability, moisture, and shine. It has rosehip, argan, and coconut oils. The spray works to detangle wet hair and protects against heat while locking in moisture and restoring luster and diminishing frizz, which is something I need in my life. Need this so much. So this is nice. It's a cute little spray. I want to smell this. I gotta... Oh, why do their products smell so good? You could definitely smell like a rosy coconut smell in this. Love. So, we have this. The next thing in here is from OFRA, which, oh my goodness, OFRA. So this is from OFRA, which, if you guys did not know, Kathleen Lights actually curated some of the products in this box. So we know she loves Briogeo. Also, the shades that were in for the OFRA lips, these are the OFRA Long Lasting Liquid Lipsticks. These retail for $20. The shades that were featured... Why? Oh, it says right there, okay. But the shades that were featured that you could get either Miami Fever, which I got Miami Fever, and then there was another one called Havana Nights. Those were two shades that are actually Kathleen Lights' favorites. Plus, if you haven't seen, Kathleen Lights has a whole video about her favorite OFRA long liquid lipsticks, and she did a whole swatching video a while back. So, this was very much a product that was curated by her that she picked, because we all know she loves these liquid lips. So these are a matte liquid lipstick, delivers long-lasting color and perfectly outlines and fills in lips. These stunning pigment stays put all day with minimal transfer while maintaining comfortable wear. Infused with vitamin A and antioxidants, your lips will look and feel healthy all day. And these are $20 a piece. So I'm excited because I don't really have anything OFRA related. I've gotten like things in the past of like eyeshadows and other things like in their old packaging. These are actually repackaged, new packaging for OFRA. They have white packaging now. So this is more of like a very kind of like orangey brown undertone. Not like something I typically go for, but we can give it a go and see how it works out for me, but it's not like a typical color for me. I'm more of like a pastel pinks and nudes looking on my lips, or like mauvey tones or rosy tones, but still pretty. So I have gotten some OFRA products in the past from like other things like Ipsy and stuff, but they're always like such neutral colors, and I'm never gonna use them, so I just donate them and stuff like that. So there's that. Okay, this was something I was so excited for. This is the featured palette for this month. So there was actually 3 different versions of this palette going out. So this is the Tarte limited edition Rainforest of the Sea highlighting eyeshadow palette volume 3. So there was other volumes going out. I think volume 1 and volume 2 were also going out. I really wanted volume 2 because it was more of a pinky palette. And this retails for $36. So here's the packaging. It's super cute though. It's very nice packaging. I'd really wanted and it comes with a little card for eye looks. So you get a little card, and here it shows you how to do some different eye looks and stuff on there, which is nice and helpful, because I don't know if I'll know what to do. Because while this is a very beautiful packaging for their products, I really wanted volume 2 because it was more of a pinky color. So I really wanted the volume 2 because while this is really pretty and stuff, the volume 2 is more of a pinky shade, while this is more of neutrals. There's a big mirror, so I'm going to try not to blind you guys. But see how it's very all neutral colors? And I don't know how I'm going to feel about their eyeshadows and stuff. I'm not going to sit here and try to swatch all of these, but while they look pretty in the pan and stuff, I just don't know if I'm going to really use these colors. So there's those. It's just a very neutral palette, which I'm going to be honest, I am very done with neutrals. As you guys know, I mostly wear silvery gray tones on my eyes, or I mostly try to do maybe like bold kind of looking colors and things like that. But today I got actually pink eyeshadow on. So I kind of like those type of shades, like more like the or like doing like a rosy pinky look on my eyes. I'm just really done with neutrals. Why are we still making neutral palettes? Maybe that's your cup of tea of having a neutral palette all the time, but I am like so done. I'm done. I don't want any more neutral palettes. Get them away from me. The next 2 things are actually from Tatcha, which I'm excited for because I wanted to try Tatcha. So there were 2 of the same little face mask. These are the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Face Mask. And these are $24 each. So these are supposed to nourish, I'm going to try to reach this card. They're to nourish skin from within using this lightweight blend of rice germ oil, vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and highly concentrated botanical oils and extracts. Each mask is designed with the maximum absorption, if I can speak, delivering 20 ml of skin quenching serum and imparting an instant dewy luminous glow. A scientifically perfect trio of fermented Japanese anti-aging superfoods like green tea, rice, and algae. Instantly restore skin's health and radiance. And these are $24 a piece. So that's like, these things better be good. And better give moisture and stuff. So I think I'm going to do a video on these in the future. So, that's what these look like. I really do need to start doing some little face mask testing videos for you guys, because I have like a little good stacking of little face masks, and I think that would be kind of fun. It's like something to do on the weekends for me to do and just talk to you guys about. So definitely gonna try these out, because who doesn't love a good face mask? We all need a good face mask in our lives. And then lastly in this box is from Billion Dollar Brows. Can we talk about that name for a minute? Billion Dollar Brows is like, have you guys seen the Disney movie Eddie's $1 Million Cook-Off movie? Have you ever seen that when you were younger? Maybe I'm getting too old. Maybe I'm only 23. But if you guys remember that was a movie a long time ago from Disney Channel. One of their DComs reminds me of that. But this is their universal brow pencil. I don't do my brows, so most likely I'm not going to use this. So I'm not going to really open this because I know I don't do my brows, and I'm not going to waste it. So I can give this to my aunt or something like that, because I think she does her brows. So this is a specially and carefully formulated to work perfect with most skin tones and brow colors. Its self-sharpening pencil glides onto your brows without tugging or pulling your skin. The spoolie at the end makes it easy blending, and smooth and creamy formula makes it easy for application. And this is $18. So I think I most likely am going to give this to my aunt, because my aunt does her brows and she has brown hair as well. So I'm gonna give this to her. So I don't want to open it because I don't want it to dry out if it does. But for those of you that like brow products, you can have some $1 billion brows. I guess who wouldn't want some $1 billion brows, but all is good. So that's everything that was in this BOXYCHARM. I thought it was a pretty good month. We started off with a pretty good month. We got Tatcha, we got Tarte, which, you know, maybe I'll give the palette a go and see how it works. We got Briogeo, we got OFRA, we got an OFRA liquid lip. Those are pretty good brands. I'm gonna not lie, we got some pretty good brands for the BOXYCHARM of January 2019. Oh my gosh, I don't even know what year it is, guys. Oh my god. I had just finished talking about 2018 products and stuff. Now we're on 2019. So, those are all the products that came in the January 2019 BOXYCHARM. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to have the full price of what my box cost for this month, because can you just talk about that? Man. And I don't think anything on here was too overwhelmingly pricey. Except just the Tarte was the $36. But nothing on here was too super expensive, but still a pretty good start. So if you want to keep up with me and my BOXYCHARM unboxings, and you want to see more of my BOXYCHARM unboxings in case you missed some, I'm going to have a playlist linked down below for you guys, so you can go check those out. Plus, if you missed the BOXYCHARM, the best of BOXYCHARM for 2018, I can link that down below for you guys to watch as well. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, give it a big thumbs up. It's greatly appreciated. And until next time, have a beautiful and magical day, and I will see you all in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.